Okay, I've noticed people using trade poles to clean windows, and they seem to be, in my view, holding them incorrectly. Say you want to go up this high, and I noticed most people tend to keep their arm right up there over their shoulders and try to squeeze it closer to the window, like that, and it's a strain on the shoulders as you're doing it. But I'll just show you, because we've got an angle adapter, we can adjust the angle to the glass. That way you're able to have the pole a little bit further away from the glass like this. I've got the scrubber here on it at the moment. I'll adjust it much longer so I can step back, and because I've got it on the correct angle, I'm able to scrub, and notice my arms are nowhere above my shoulder line. Just change, get a squeegee, and the same goes. It's your distance, you can see, in fact you won't be breaking your neck looking up neither, but you can see the arm movement's confined under my shoulder line. And I believe that's the way it should be done. And I suppose that's about it.